Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Queen's University account. So first, you have to open to your Google web browser or any other web browser, and on the top there is a URL section right over here. Type Queen University and enter it. And from the search results, you'll get the Queen's University Canada right over here. On the top, click on that option. And on the top right corner, just beside the search section, there's a sign in option right here. Click on that option, and from that you have to select My Queens U right on the top option. And from here on the left hand side, there's this option that says Students, Faculty and Staff. If you're staff, you can click on it here, or if you're a student, click on that option. And from here, I'm going to click on the Student Residence and Dining Portal, and you'll get an option that says Net ID and password. So you have to fill up the form and your password. And after that, you can simply click on the login option and then you'll be successfully logged in to your Queen's University account. But if you do not have a net ID, or if you have forgotten your net ID or an password, you have these two options. You can simply click on this option as per your request. And this is it guys. This is how you can log in to your Queen's University account. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.